Now that I ditched the gum from the last video, let's dive in so you know exactly what to do to make 10K a month. These short form videos, just like on TikTok, maybe it's Facebook, maybe it's IG, maybe it's YouTube Shorts, they are going to attract your leads. You need to post 3 to 5 of those a day, and they can be short videos, 7 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Some of mine are a little longer because I like to chat with you. The next thing that I feel is really important, you want to start doing TikTok lives. TikTok lives are hot. So if you do that, it's best to try to do it every day. But if you can't show up every day, start out going 30 minutes, 3 times a week, and increase it from there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create long form videos, and you're going to post them on YouTube. Where do you get your long form videos? If you don't know how to do it, use your TikTok lives. TikTok lives is basically free advertising. It's free organic leads. And if you go live, you're going to have all kinds of people coming into your funnel. So make sure you let them know where to go. The most important thing you need to be doing is you need to be growing your email list. Why do you need that email list? Because if any of these social media platforms disappear, you still have all your customers and they're still seeing your emails every day. So if your goal is to make money online and quit your 9 to 5 so you have time freedom, you need to follow those exact steps every single day.